Hi, today we're talking about room bookings and we're going to understand how you can utilize this form to capture responses for room bookings. So, as you can see in this form, we have got certain fields which helps us capture all the information for the particular person related to bookings of rooms. And what we're going to do is we're going to utilize this form to get the responses. So, once the applicant fills in all the responses, you'll be able to capture the responses under the responses view that we have over here. So, this helps to capture the exact response from the particular person coming in, and we will able to understand more about this process. So first of all, we need to go to the form builder, click on share form and click on copy form link. This will copy the link of the entire form which we have in place. You can expose this link to the particular person who is looking to book for a room, and once they see this, they will be able to fill out the entire stuff and then they can start booking for rooms. So I'll just randomly fill in some of the details over here which is for my relevance, and once I fill in all the details, I will able to click on submit, and then the room bookings will start to get captured over the responses. So I'm just putting in random responses over here. As you can see, I've randomly put in some responses. I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. And if I go back to the booking form under the responses view, the entire response has been captured over here on the top. So this is how simple, quick, and easy it is to capture the responses. Obviously, you can jump to the form builder, and obviously you can edit all the fields as per your choice. This is very simple to do. It is all up to you how you want to play around. Okay. And there is another tool that I want to talk about, which is PDF output. This is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes the need of a Notion page, which acts as a source of the template file, and a Notion database, which has the contents that you would replace on the Notion page. So basically, Notion page would have template document, and a database would be required to replace the content of the page to generate documents in bulk. I've added a video of how you can exactly do the same with invoices at the bottom, so you can definitely watch this video to understand more about the process. But essentially, you can replicate the same process for any documents for your requirement. So do check out PDF output for this. And if I have any questions or queries, I'm available at notion for my use at gmail.com. This is where you can reach out to me for any specific requests. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.